Good morning everyone. My name is Om. Today I am going to speak a few words about Lokmanya Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak was a great freedom fighter of the Indian freedom struggle. He was also called Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was born on 23 July 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. His father name was Gangadhar and mother name was Parvati Bai. The famous slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it was given by Lokmanya Tilak. Lokmanya Tilak started newspaper like Kesari and Maratha. Such a great freedom fighter passed away in 1 August 1920. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, जय कर्मवीर.